lento izobhema ama-drugs isheshe phela ithi lento ezomithisa amantombazane iwaphiki ukuthi akekho umama oyenza le nto leyo, akekho iSouth Africa yonke, akekho umama ozala umntanakhe and releases a case. But wonke umama, even noma umntana khona kungaba umntana odiformekile uvela athi ethi mama ngiyantanda yena ethi tholo no ba excited labo ukuthi kuzovela umntwana. After a month uzomuntu athi ngiyaxolisa mina ngiabortile. How would you feel? Do you know ukuthi as much as women they abort, amadoda aya affected? Because that is your seed. Any abortion it's an insult. Usathane usuka kuthuka. I-abortion iyadefile. Idefile wena personal umuntu oyenzayo. Idefile umphakathi ngoba igazi eli-innocent elichithekayo. Idefile ifamily ngoba mhlambe bazondlela bathi akule andlu leyana. Abantwana bakhona nje bonke badume ngobufebe, bonke badume ngokabothile. Uthi omunye izolo. Mangifunda la comment. Uthi omunye izolo kuma comment uthi this topic is disturbing. Manje ngifuna ukutshela ukuthi this topic is not disturbing me. This topic is healing me. And this topic is not for abantu aba right.